Hey class, this week we're going to be doing one of our first author studies, which I'm really excited because we are going to be learning about and reading lots of books from Eric Carle. And I really like his artwork, and I also like the subject of the stories that he writes. So the first book that I'm going to read this week is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Let's click on the right test. There we go. That's a little bit better. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon. That night, he had such a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed this book that was written and illustrated by Eric Carle. I know it's one of my favorites, even from when I was little. And I am excited to read you the next Eric Carle book. Stay tuned.